Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about why your Xbox charging station is blinking orange and how to fix it. Let's get started. Typically, the blinking orange light indicates that your controller is charging. In the color sequence, expect the light to blink orange, then red, and finally green as a sign of a full charge. If you observe these changes, all is well, but if you don't, there could be a greater problem. Old batteries can also cause your charging station to blink orange. The most common cause of a continuously blinking orange light from your charging station is an old Xbox battery that's on the verge of death. If the charger blinks orange without gradually changing color, your Xbox battery is no longer good. However, you can extend its lifespan with this hack. Ensure you always turn the controller on before disengaging it from the charging station. After a while, the battery in the Xbox will die, so you'll have to replace the controller because finding a new battery replacement is very difficult. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.